Think of the Ozarks Shootout weekend.
Bro, imagine trying to get it up on. Oh, that one would have been easy. We could have got it on there.
What's up, guys?
How's it going?
What's up?
This girl was like 45 and he's like 60.
Hey, bro. Shoot. People. That's crazy.
Yeah.
You guys got a channel or something?
What's that?
You got a channel?
Yeah. He does too. Yeah.
That's badass.
Appreciate it. Dude, look at that, bro. Oh my god.
Dude, that one's got a TV on it. Whatever you want.
What should we say? We got a group right. What should we say?
We ride the
like,
oh,
you're
the stand-up jet ski
That's
guy.
me. How'd you know?
What? Are you the jet ski guy?
Yeah.
In Buck Creek.
Yeah, that's me.
I live in Buck Creek.
Do you?
Yes, I do.
Let's go.
Oh my God. What do you have helmets for?
What's that?
What do you have helmets
For our jet ski.
on?
No, we're still out there. We're still out there.
It's
always around 4:35 o'clock.
Yeah.
Which one?
Yes. What's happening, man? I'm big gigs today? Yes, sir. Okay, hell yeah. I've been watching you. There's too many guys on Instagram who do it. I Motor Mike. Okay, yeah, I've seen you on Instagram. You got your own?
Yeah.
What's yours?
Evan Dorman.
Okay, nice.
Yep.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah.
Nice to meet
Have a good one.
It was nice meeting you, man.
You guys be safe out there.
We're still there.
Still here.
Look at that. Oh, almost forgot my gloves. Ooh.